Welcome back to Saltwater Stories. Are you ready for another deep dive?
I am.
Awesome. Today we're taking a look at one of the most
Uh-huh.
intriguing creatures of the ocean, the octopus.
Yeah.
Now, before we get started, did you know that octopuses are actually
Oh, wow.
colorblind? It's true. They can't
Oh.
see color, yet they're masters of disguise.
Hmm.
So how did
That
they
is
do
weird.
it? Well, we'll be exploring that today,
Mhm.
along with their alien-like biology, their
Mhm.
incredible intelligence, their unique defenses, and even their presence in mythology.
That's great.
Are you ready to get started?
Absolutely. I think it's fascinating how such seemingly vulnerable creatures
Right.
with their soft bodies have evolved such incredible adaptations to not only survive, but thrive in a challenging environment like the ocean.
Well, let's unpack this incredible creature. First up, their biology.
Okay.
I mean, 3 hearts, blue blood. It sounds like something straight out of science
It
fiction.
really does, doesn't it? 2 of those hearts are dedicated to pumping blood through the gills,
Oh.
which is essential for extracting oxygen from the water, especially in deeper, low-oxygen environments.
Okay.
But it's that third heart that's particularly intriguing.
Yeah.
That's the one that circulates blood to the rest of their body, providing the energy they need for all those amazing feats we're going to talk about.
Right, and that blue blood it's not just for dramatic effect, right?
Not at all. Their blood is copper-based, unlike our iron-based blood.
Okay.
This copper-based blood, called hemocyanin,
Hemocyanin.
is actually more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments.
Wow.
It's a perfect adaptation for life in the deep sea.
So it's all about maximizing efficiency and survival in a harsh environment.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about their intelligence.
Yeah.
It's truly mind-boggling.
Okay.
I remember reading about their decentralized nervous system. What's going on there?
Well, here's where things get really interesting.
Okay.
You see, unlike humans who have a centralized nervous system,
Mhm.
with the majority of neurons concentrated in the brain, octopuses have a distributed network of neurons.
Okay.
Most of their neurons are actually located in their arms.
So it's not just a central brain calling the shots.
That's right. Each arm can act somewhat independently,
Wow.
almost like having 8 mini brains working together.
Really?
This allows them to multitask in ways we can only dream of.
That's crazy.
One arm could be tasting a rock for potential prey, another changing color to blend in,
Uh-huh.
all while another is keeping an eye out for predators.
That's incredible.
Right.
So it's like a network of intelligence spread throughout their body.
Yeah.
No wonder they're such incredible escape artists.
Right.
There are countless stories of them squeezing through tiny openings, escaping tanks,
Yeah.
even unscrewing jar lids. I even saw a video once of an octopus opening a jar from the inside. It was amazing.
Oh, absolutely. Their lack of a rigid skeleton gives them an incredible advantage.
Really?
They can contort their bodies and squeeze through spaces as small as their beak, which is the only hard part of their body. Their flexibility is truly remarkable.
Speaking of remarkable, let's talk about their camouflage.
Okay.
It's not just about blending in, is it?
Right.
They can actually mimic specific objects and even other animals.
You're absolutely right. Their skin contains specialized cells called chromatophores that allow them to change color almost instantaneously,
Wow.
but it goes beyond just color.
Okay.
They have other cells, iridophores and leucophores,
Here are the fours.
that reflect and scatter light, allowing them to create textures and even patterns to perfectly match their surroundings.
So it's like having a built-in invisibility cloak.
Uh,
And then there's the mimic octopus, which takes camouflage to a whole new level.
right. The mimic octopus
Yeah.
is a master of impersonation.
Okay.
It can change its shape and color to resemble all sorts of dangerous creatures like lionfish, sea snakes, even poisonous flatfish.
Wow.
Imagine being a predator and seeing what you think is a venomous lionfish, only to have it morph into an octopus right before your eyes.
That's insane.
It's a brilliant defense mechanism.
It's like they're putting on a theatrical performance underwater. Predators see a venomous creature and think twice before approaching.
Ah.
Okay, so we've covered their camouflage, but what about their other defense mechanisms? What about that ink they use?
Yes, the classic octopus ink defense.
Mm.
It's more than just a visual distraction, you know.
Yeah.
The ink cloud not only obscures the octopus from view,
Right.
but it also contains chemicals that irritate the predator's senses, particularly their sense of smell, giving the octopus a chance to make a quick getaway.
It's like deploying a smoke bomb and a stink bomb all at once. Talk about effective.
Yeah.
And then there's that incredible ability to detach a limb to escape danger.
That's right. It's called autotomy.
Autotomy.
And it's truly remarkable.
Wow.
If a predator grabs hold of an octopus's arm, it can actually detach that arm,
Yeah.
allowing it to escape while the predator is distracted. And the amazing thing is the arm will eventually grow back.
Regeneration. Now, that's a superpower I wish humans had.
I know, right?
But it does make you wonder, if a detached arm can still move and react, how do octopuses experience pain?
That's a question that researchers are still trying to understand with their decentralized nervous system. It's possible that octopuses experience pain differently than other animals. It's a fascinating area of research.
It really makes you realize that intelligence and sentience come in many forms. Speaking of intelligence, I think it's time to dive into some specific examples of just how smart these creatures really are. Are you ready for some octopus mind-blowing moments?
I think we're both ready to have our minds blown.
Bring it on.
Big octopus intelligence. Well, we've already touched on their escape artistry. Remember that octopus Inky who made a daring escape from a New Zealand aquarium?
Oh, yeah. Inky.
Squeezed right through a drainage pipe and made a beeline for the ocean?
It's like he just knew where he wanted to go.
Right.
And they've also been observed solving mazes and even dismantling equipment in aquariums.
Yeah.
Like, how do they even figure that stuff out?
It's amazing, isn't it? It's a testament to their problem-solving abilities and curiosity.
Right.
Their intelligence isn't just about instinct.
Yeah.
There's a level of cognitive flexibility and adaptability there that's truly remarkable.
I read somewhere that a veined octopus was observed using coconut shells as tools. Can you imagine?
Oh, yeah. I've seen those videos.
Carrying those shells around and then assembling them into a mobile shelter.
It's a classic example of tool use in the animal kingdom.
Wow.
They collect the shells, carry them around, and then when they need protection, assemble them into a little shelter.
So they're planning ahead.
It's a clear demonstration of planning and foresight.
Wow.
Something we once thought was exclusive to humans and a few other primates.
Wait, so tool use isn't just a human thing?
Right.
I always thought that was one of the things that set us apart from other animals.
For a long time, we did think that. But as we learn more about animal cognition, we're realizing that tool use isn't limited to humans. Octopuses, crows, even some insects exhibit tool use. It really challenges our traditional understanding of intelligence and what it means to be smart.
It's mind-blowing. And there's some researchers who believe octopuses may even experience emotions.
Yeah.
Have you heard about that?
There's definitely growing evidence to suggest that octopuses experience a range of emotions.
Like what?
They've been observed recognizing individual humans, displaying preferences, and even engaging in what appears to be play behavior.
So they're not just mindless automatons reacting to stimuli.
Exactly.
They have personalities, preferences, maybe even feelings.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
It really does change the way we think about them, doesn't it? It's fascinating to think about what's going on inside those complex brains, or rather those 8 mini brains.
Okay, so we've established that they're incredibly smart.
Yeah.
But how do they communicate with each other?
Right.
They don't have vocal cords, so they can't talk.
Right. They don't talk in the way that we do.
Okay.
But they're incredibly expressive nonetheless. They communicate through a fascinating array of visual signals. Oh, okay.
Body language, color changes, and arm gestures.
So it's all about the silent movie, huh?
Exactly. A sudden flash of bright color might signal aggression or a warning, while softer pulsing colors might be used during courtship. It's almost like their skin is a canvas for expressing their emotions.
That's so cool. It's like they have their own secret language of color and movement. And I heard they can even cooperate with other species during hunts, like with groupers, right?
You're right. There have been some incredible observations of cooperative hunting between octopuses and groupers. The octopus flushes out prey hiding in crevices.
Wow.
And the grouper waits to snag anything that tries to escape.
Talk about teamwork. It makes you wonder if they're actually communicating.
Right.
Strategizing, even.
It really does make you wonder, doesn't it? There's still so much we don't know about their social interactions and cognitive abilities.
Okay, so let's imagine for a moment that we're an octopus, just going about our day. What's life like for them? What's a typical day like for an octopus? Well, it really depends on the species and the environment. Some octopuses are diurnal, meaning they're active during the day, while others are nocturnal.
Okay.
But in general, they spend their days hunting, exploring their surroundings,
Okay.
and of course, avoiding predators.
So it's a constant game of hide and seek.
In a way, it is. They're masters of camouflage, but they also need to be vigilant.
Right.
Always ready to deploy those incredible defenses at a moment's notice.
And speaking of defenses, Their reproductive strategy is one of the most remarkable examples of self-sacrifice in the animal kingdom, wouldn't you say?
It's truly incredible. Once a female octopus lays her eggs, she dedicates her entire being to protecting them.
Wow.
She guards the eggs, cleans them, and even fans them with water to keep them oxygenated.
It's like she's totally consumed by motherhood.
Exactly.
Wow.
But tragically, this dedication comes at a great cost.
Oh, no.
She stops eating, entirely devoting all her energy to ensuring her offspring's survival.
Oh, wow.
By the time the eggs hatch, she's so weakened that she usually dies shortly after.
That's sad.
It's a truly selfless act of motherhood.
Yeah.
She literally gives her life for the next generation. It's heartbreaking, but also incredibly inspiring.
Okay, now I have to ask you about something that I find truly fascinating and a little bit spooky. Do octopuses dream?
That's a question that has intrigued scientists for a long time.
I bet.
You see, researchers have observed octopuses changing color while they sleep.
While they're sleeping.
It's almost as if they're replaying events or experiencing something akin to dreaming.
So it's like their skin is a window into their subconscious. That's so wild.
It really is.
Wow.
And it raises all sorts of intriguing questions about the nature of consciousness and whether dreaming is a more widespread phenomenon in the animal kingdom than we realize.
It makes you wonder, what does an octopus dream about? What does it even mean for an octopus to dream?
It's a mystery that continues to fascinate and baffle us, but it's a reminder that the world of animal consciousness is vast and complex, and there's still so much we don't know.
Okay, before we get too lost in the depths of octopus dreams, let's shift gears and talk about the cultural impact of these fascinating creatures. They've inspired terrifying sea monsters, ancient myths, and even modern-day pop culture icons, right?
Absolutely. Think of the Kraken, that legendary sea monster from Scandinavian folklore.
Oh, the Kraken.
A colossal octopus capable of dragging entire ships down to the depths.
Yeah.
It's a testament to the power these creatures hold in our collective imagination.
It's like they embody the primal fear of the unknown, the vastness and mystery of the ocean depths.
Exactly. But their cultural significance goes beyond just fear. In ancient cultures, octopuses often held symbolic meaning.
Okay.
In Greek and Roman art, for example, they often appeared on pottery and mosaics, representing adaptability, mystery, and transformation.
And in Japanese mythology, they're often depicted as shapeshifters or trickster figures.
That's right. Their ability to change shape and color so effortlessly has always lent them an air of magic and mystique.
And they've made quite a splash in modern pop culture, too. From sci-fi thrillers to animated films, they're often portrayed as both fascinating and slightly unnerving creatures.
It's that combination of intelligence and alienness that really captures our attention. They're so different from us, yet there's something undeniably captivating about them.
And lately, we've seen a shift toward portraying them in a more positive light, highlighting their intelligence and sensitivity.
Oh, absolutely. Documentaries like My Octopus Teacher have done wonders to change public perception. That film really helped showcase the emotional depth and cognitive abilities of octopuses, revealing a unique and fascinating form of intelligence.
And those viral videos online, octopuses escaping enclosures, solving puzzles, even changing color while they sleep.
I know, right?
It seems like they've become internet stars.
It's wonderful to see that fascination spreading. It helps raise awareness about these incredible creatures and the importance of protecting them.
Speaking of protection, let's talk about the incredible innovations that octopus biology has inspired. I mean, their unique anatomy and movement have led to breakthroughs in robotics.
Yeah.
Particularly in the development of soft-bodied robots.
You're absolutely right. Imagine robots that can squeeze through tight spaces, manipulate objects with incredible dexterity, and even change their shape to adapt to different environments.
Right.
It's all thanks to the inspiration we're getting from octopuses.
So robots that can explore shipwrecks, navigate complex underwater environments, even assist with delicate surgeries. That's pretty mind-blowing.
It's a whole new frontier in robotics.
Yep.
And it's not just robotics. Scientists are also studying octopus skin for inspiration in material science.
Wow.
Their ability to change color and texture so rapidly is fascinating to researchers who are developing new types of camouflage materials, flexible displays, even self-healing material.
Wow. It's like the octopus is a living, breathing blueprint for cutting-edge technology.
It really is. And their decentralized nervous system is inspiring new approaches to artificial intelligence, particularly in the development of decentralized systems that can learn and adapt in complex environments.
It's incredible to think that these creatures, so different from us, could hold the key to unlocking future technological advancements.
It's a testament to the power of biomimicry.
Biomimicry.
Looking to nature for inspiration and solutions to our own technological challenges. The octopus, with its unique adaptations and intelligence, is a treasure trove of inspiration.
Okay, so here's a question that's been bouncing around in my head. What if octopuses continue to evolve along a path of increasing intelligence? I mean, could they potentially become Earth's next intelligent species?
That's a fascinating question. Some scientists believe that if octopuses had longer lifespans, their intelligence could potentially develop even further. Imagine more complex social structures, or even the development of a unique octopus culture.
Wow, imagine an octopus civilization thriving beneath the waves, creating art, building cities, maybe even developing their own technology. That's some serious food for thought.
It certainly challenges our anthropocentric view of intelligence.
Yeah.
What if intelligence can exist and flourish in forms vastly different from our own? The octopus, with its decentralized nervous system and unique way of experiencing the world, really makes us think outside the box.
It's a reminder that we need to be open to the possibility of intelligence existing in forms we might not immediately recognize.
Exactly, and it raises some important questions about how we treat these creatures.
That's a crucial point. As we learn more about octopus intelligence, it becomes increasingly important to consider the ethical implications of our actions.
Absolutely. The debate about keeping octopuses in captivity is a prime example. Many experts argue that conventional aquariums don't provide the stimulation and space that these intelligent animals need.
And there are concerns about the fishing industry as well, right?
Yeah.
I mean, as demand for octopus as a food source increases, we need to make sure that fishing practices are sustainable and don't harm their populations.
You're absolutely right. Overfishing and bycatch are significant threats to many octopus populations.
Right.
We need to find ways to ensure that our interactions with them are sustainable and respect their place in the ocean ecosystem.
It's a balancing act, for sure. We need to appreciate their value as a food source while also protecting them from overexploitation.
Precisely. It's about finding that balance, that harmony between our needs and the needs of the creatures we share this planet with.
Okay, I think we're ready for that final thought-provoking question from you. Something that will leave our listeners pondering the mysteries of the octopus long after this episode ends.
What if instead of just studying and observing octopuses, we could truly partner with them?
Partner with them.
Imagine harnessing their unique abilities for underwater exploration, environmental monitoring, even search and rescue operations.
Whoa. That's an incredible thought. A true partnership between humans and octopuses. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction,
Right.
but with the potential to become reality.
Think about it. Their dexterity,
Yeah.
their problem-solving skills, their ability to navigate complex environments.
Right.
They could be invaluable assets in situations where humans are limited.
It would require a whole new level of understanding and respect for their intelligence. We'd have to move beyond seeing them as just research subjects or curiosities and recognize them as partners with their own agency and perspectives.
Exactly. It wouldn't be about dominance or control.
Right.
It would be about collaboration, recognizing octopuses as partners, not just subjects.
It's a vision of a future where humans and octopuses work together, each contributing their unique strengths for the benefit of both species and the planet.
It might sound far-fetched, but who knows what the future holds?
Yeah.
The octopus has already surprised us countless times with its remarkable abilities.
You're right. Their intelligence challenges our assumptions about consciousness and cognition. It forces us to expand our definition of what it means to be intelligent and to recognize the diversity of life on Earth.
And it reminds us that we still have so much to learn about the ocean and the creatures that call it home.
Well, this deep dive into the world of the octopus has been a truly mind-expanding experience.
It has.
I feel like I've learned so much, and yet I'm left with even more questions than I started with.
Me too.
I've enjoyed exploring these fascinating creatures with you.
Me too.
And I know our listeners will be pondering the mysteries of the octopus long after this episode ends.
Before we go, I want to leave our listeners with one final thought.
Okay.
The octopus, with its alien-like biology, its incredible intelligence, and its remarkable resilience, embodies the wonder and diversity of life on Earth.
It's a powerful reminder that we need to protect our oceans and the incredible creatures that inhabit them.
And it's an invitation to embrace curiosity, to keep exploring, and to never stop learning from the natural world.
Beautifully said.
Yeah.
And a huge thank you to our listeners for joining us on this deep dive into the world of the octopus.
We'll see you next time for another fascinating exploration of the underwater world.
And a quick thanks to our sponsor, Printable Pages. You can grab a free octopus coloring page at printablepages.org to bring today's episode to life with your own colors. The link will be in the show notes, so check it out and enjoy.